Hello everyone, how are you all? So, once again, welcome to my podcast Sangrila with Ila Anantacharya. So, after the short introduction in the last episode, which was a trailer episode, even I want to continue with that trailer episode. So, here I'm going to share some more details about how The Secret by Rhonda Byrne, the book and the movie has affected my life. So, as I already mentioned you that I was working as a professor in one of the reputed university of my city. So, there I used to travel by bus, and it was an 1 hour journey starting from my stand where I used to stay till I reach my destination. It was complete almost a 1 hour journey. So I was utilizing that entire time in discovering more about law of attraction. So I was reading this book, The Secret by Rhonda Byrne, and I has started practicing what has been mentioned in there, whatever been revealed over there. So I started initially by saying thank you, by feeling grateful. So I started by saying thank you for each and everything which I was having, which was there in my life. And I also felt something is changing slowly. Something is changing in my life. So when I started feeling grateful, it was like, okay, in a day you cannot see, but slowly you can feel that yes, positive changes are taking place in your life. I have started becoming more happy. I have started laughing a lot, and meanwhile I actually was so much in alignment that I was attracting things. So it always happens that as soon as you read Law of Attraction, the book Secret, and as soon as you watch the movie Secret, you start getting aligned yourself, and you immediately start seeing the proofs of these law of attraction, and you become each and every day you just you see, yes, it is because of law of attraction. Yes, this is happening because of law of attraction. Yes, that has happened because of law of attraction. So it goes on and on and on. So it was happening to me also. So I was like on the seventh sky, because I was getting to know how life is working, how everything is how everything was revolving around me. So I watched the movie also. I read the book every day, to and fro, the 1 hour journey from college to back home also I was reading. So it has started impacting my life a lot. And just giving one of the proof is that I has never asked for an increment in my salary. Okay, so suddenly in that duration, when I was reading, when I had started discovering about law of attraction, I got increment without even asking. That was a big thing, financial independence, which I have which was a really surprise for me. So that was one of the biggest proof which has shown me that yes, law of attraction is working. So now I think this is all for today's segment of this episode. that is basically, I can say it as an introduction, part 3, and I hope to see you in the next segment of this episode. Thank you so much for listening and stay safe. Bye bye.